Hi, I'm Lizzie. I'm a client partner at Torchbox, and I'm going to do a very quick demonstration of the translation functionality within the Wagtail CMS. And I'm using the new Medical Aid for Palestinians website, which we recently built as an example. So here we have a content page in English. You can see that it has different areas of content. It has the header, intro copy, body copy, subheads, pull quotes, captions on photos and so on, and I want to translate this page into Arabic. So I'm just going to jump into the back end, into the Wagtail CMS for this page, and I'm going to click translate this page. Now for Medical Aid for Palestinians, we're translating into Arabic, but Wagtail translation allows for translating into any language and also multiple languages per website as well. So I'm going to select Arabic and I click submit. What that does is it breaks the page content down into its component parts. So you can see we have the title, we have the introduction, we have headings, and we have body copy and so on. Now we can choose to use a PO file for translation, or what we're going to do here is translate with DeepL. DeepL is an AI powered translation tool. So I click on translate with DeepL, and you can see that the content here has updated so that each area of copy has updated with the Arabic translation, and it shows you down here that that's been translated with DeepL. Now we know that translating languages is not straightforward. There's a lot of nuance, and so we allow for editors and human in the loop to be able to come in and review the content and override it, make changes, make tweaks. By clicking on this edit button, an Arabic speaking editor can come in, make their updates, click save, and now you can see this has updated here to being translated manually. Once they're happy with the content, you simply click publish in Arabic. Shows us up here that that is published, and if you want to see what that looks like on the live site, here you can see that that has now updated and published the Arabic version of the page with the headers, the pull quotes, all of those different formats and so on. And it's as straightforward as that.